Hi guys, welcome to Absence Pro. Welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can add loyalty program, a reward program to your Shopify store, rewarding your customers with points, with retention scores, with sign up points can lead to increase referrals and increase sales. And most important, it is going to increase the retention of your customers. So it is really important for Shopify store owners and merchants to test out this app, which I'm going to be showing you guys. And the app is called Trustoo Loyalty Program Reward. Link will be in the description. Make sure to try that out. And the good thing is that free plan is available. So you can test it out, see what other cool features this app is offering, and continue using that if it benefits you. Otherwise, you can simply install, right? But make sure to try that out. So guys, this is my development store where I already have added the loyalty program. And if I click on this rewards option here, you can see that it's showing the ways to earn, meaning if they become a member, they can earn the points which they can redeem later. So if I click on ways to earn, here if a customer place an order, it is going to get 500 points. Here we have an option of leave a review. If someone adds a review to any product, it's going to get 100 points. Here the website visit rewards. Here is the subscribe to newsletter. And if I go back on the option here, we also have the referral, meaning if someone refer your website to a friend or family member, they're going to get $5 off coupon. And there is this VIP tier settings as well, where basically they come to a silver tier when they earn 500 points. So it is a really great way to create loyal members, create repetitive customers where they will be buying more or earning more points. So you can set it up very easily, which I'm going to show you guys in this video. And if we go to ways to redeem, we have the option here of a $5 off coupon for 500 points. And we can add more ways to redeem as well, right? So it is super simple to set up, which I'm going to show you guys how you can do in this video. So without further ado, let's get into the app, but I'm going to show you how you can set this up. Okay, so what we will be doing, we will be installing that app. I've already installed it. Link in the description to try it out. And I am going to show you guys how you can set it up on your store. So I already have it open on my development store, and that is the launcher where you will see all of the settings, right? And here we have the language. We have a lot of language options here, right? And if we go down there, here we have display method where we can show which icon we want to choose, or if we would just want to display icon only or text only. I'm going to select text and icon and choose this icon which I like. Perfect. Here is the option to change the text, and here's the preview of how it's going to look like, right? And here we can change the text if we want to, but I'm going to leave it as it is. Okay. And you can also change it later. So if you basically just click on next, you always have the option to change it later on. Perfect. Click on next. Here we have the theme settings. I'm going to just select the default and click next. Here we have the reward point configuration, that how much actually you are going to reward each customer based on the item or based on the order amount. So here we have, you can see 5% of the reward points, meaning if someone bought $100 item, it's going to get $5 for that customer order, right? And that is the recommended configuration. You can increase or decrease based on your requirement. Okay, click on launch your program. Perfect. We have the launcher completed, and now we will enable the app embed. You can see here, please note that widget or loyalty page will not be visible on our store until that is enabled on the theme. So we're going to click on turn on, and it is going to automatically take us to this open settings, theme settings, where we will enable the app embed. It's basically same for all of the apps, so you might already know that. I'm going to click on open theme settings and enable the app embed. Perfect. Here you can see it automatically enabled. Basically, we don't need to do anything. It just automatically enabled it. We just have to click on the save button and we'll be good to go. Okay, now after enabling it, if I preview my store from the front end and basically hide this bar, to show you guys the widget, which we are seeing. Here it is. So here is the Trustoo Loyalty Reward app widget, which shows up on every page. And here you can see that visitor will be able to see what are the ways to earn points. And if I click on that, I have this option where if someone place an order, it's going to get 500 points on every $100 spent. And here we have ways to redeem. So $5 off coupon if someone earns 500 points, right? Now we have more ways to reward our customers. If I go back to the app screen and after enabling the app embed from here, click on program. And here we have some other options like this one here. If someone leaves a review on your store, it's going to get 100 points. And there are many more ways to reward customer points. So if I click on add ways to earn points, I have this option where it says visit website reward. If someone visit your website, it's going to reward it with points. If someone sign up, similarly, if any customer has a birthday, if you have added the birth date on the profile of the customer, it's going to reward them with the points so they can redeem those points later on. Here we have it for subscribe to newsletter. And this is for the social media sharing, like sharing on Facebook, share on X, a lot of settings, and this custom action where if you want to integrate a custom app, you can do that as well. So a lot of ways to reward points to your customer, which is really good for an app which is also offering you a free tier. I would highly recommend you guys to use this app if you have under 25 orders. If not, you can go to the paid tier, but you can use this completely for free for 25 monthly orders, which is a really good way to learn and understand all of the features of the app and pay as you grow. If you're a small store owner, you don't need to pay anything, right? Here we have expiry option. So if you have created this reward point program, you can basically disable that based on the expiration period. Here we have some other options like referrals. So if a customer referred to a friend, to a cousin or anyone, they will be able to redeem the points with the referrer reward. You can see here we have $5 off coupon. Basically, we just have to enable that and that customer will be able to share the URL for the referral landing page or share via social media to get this referral report. Here we have the option for VIP tier if you want to set up different tiers based on the number of points. So if someone earns 1,000 points, it's going to get a gold tier. If someone earns 500 points, it's going to get silver tier. Basically, it will show up on the customer profile, which is a really good psychological effect for a customer to earn more and more points and get more rewarded. Really cool features. And here we have the email option. In the email option, we can basically notify customer via email for the points earned, for the reward unlock, birthday reward, all that kind of stuff, referral coupon, VIP tier, if they achieved any VIP tier, if the reward is expiring, stuff like that. So that's for email notification. And that is a pop-up notification. So if someone basically earned the point, it's going to show up in the pop-up for these scenarios like subscribe to newsletter, increase member signups, and for referrals, VIP, reward expiry, all that kind of stuff. Here we have the option for limited time offers. We can add event to encourage customer to make a purchase during specific times of the day, right? And for any more understanding, you can always contact the support. So if you click on this chat icon, you will have the option to contact support and they will be available for you any minute 24/7 with the help of any functionality understanding or anything you want to understand with the app. And here we have the option of brand style. So if you want to change the brand style, obviously if you don't want it on the blue color, maybe you wanted red color on any other color, you can add the styling, you can change the CSS code, all that kind of stuff. Here we have the option of widget panel, how you want the widget panel to look like, dark, light, and there are different templates available. You can also add your own custom banner image. You can add your store logo. You can change icons. You can change the branding. And here we have the loyalty page settings. Here is the detailed video on how to set up loyalty rewards page. There are a ton of settings in this app, which I don't think is impossible for me to cover in one single video, but I have just given you the most important features of this app, which you can also use for free. And here we have the integration option. So all these other apps can easily be integrated with this app. And we have all of the analytics showing up that how many orders we got generated using this reward points and how many loyalty members we got, about the rankings, outstanding incentivized revenue, all that kind of stuff is showing up here. So a really cool app. I don't think it's possible for me to cover all of the functionality of this app, but let me know in the comments below if you want me to cover any specific part of the app. That's it for this video. And until next video, have a great day.